Okay, so let's take a look at an example of a call option. So what I have on the screen here is a chart of SPY. That's the ETF of the S&P 500. And on February 6th, which is this day right here, my template that I use was triggered to tell me go ahead and purchase a call option that in the long term SPY was going to go up. So on February 6th, that's exactly what I did. So let's go look at my call option. And here it is. You can see I have an 18 December 2026 545 call option. I've got one of them. It's got 948 days left to expiration, and you can see it's at a 37.4% profit. So let's just kind of break down what that means, okay? So here's the call option example. So February 6th, the opening price of SPY was $493.52. So you can see I purchased that call option. That call option gives me the right, but not the obligation, to purchase SPY at $545 per share on or before 18 December 2026. So going back to your workbook, you would look at what's the underlying security? SPY. That's what this call option is derived from. The specified price, $545 per share. Remember, one contract represents 100 shares. The time, 18 December 2026. That's when this contract ceases to exist. And the cost, $4,985. Remember, you take $49.85, which was the original price, and you have to multiply it times 100 because each call option represents 100 shares. Now, just to kind of put it in perspective, if you purchase the shares on the same day, your total investment would have been $49,352. So you can see how the call option represents just about, well, almost exactly 10% of the total investment that would have been required. So when we now look at it and we fast forward, you can see SPY is actually at $521.64. And our call option is at an $1,800 profit. Let's see what we would have been at. It's going to be higher for the share price. It always is. $49,352 minus it'd be worth $52,171. So right now we'd be at $1,000 more in profit. But think about it. You have to invest like 20 times the amount you did in this call option. But that just kind of shows you exactly how a call option works, okay? And gives you a good example of what they look like. So that's it. See you in the next video.